I'm about to give away £36,000 in free mentorship and property investment training this month in April. So I'm gonna explain how the prize draw is gonna work. 4 people are gonna be given £9,000 worth of training, mentoring with me, and also my wife. What are you gonna be teaching and sharing?
So everything about cost management, everything that I spent 5 years at university learning.
So your brain, in terms of how to find builders, quote refurbs, Amanda's brain is gonna become your brain. My brain is going to become your brain. So to enter and to win the £9,000, all you need to do is come to the Property Investors Crash Course this month in April. Next week, as soon as I've finished here in the Caribbean, next week when I get back, I'm going to be going to Leeds, then Birmingham, then London again. And at every crash course, we're going to be putting out a prize draw, and one person at each crash course is going to be given £9,000 worth of training and mentoring. 4 people, £36,000 in total. All you need to do to enter is just book onto the crash course. Link in bio. It's £1. Even if you don't win, it's still going to be an incredible day with me and the team. If you do win, get ready for 2024 to be the best year of your life.